Hey everyone, I'm Jordan Weaver with Compass 365, and I'm here with Qais Gharib, our business applications practice manager, who's gearing up to present at Community Days Los Angeles 2024. Qais, can you give us a quick preview of what you'll be speaking about?
Absolutely. We're diving into the actual implementation of the Power Platform Center of Excellence. I'll be sharing insights from one of our Fortune 50 clients who had to manage tens of thousands of apps, flows, and bots. We'll explore what the COE gives you right out of the box, what's missing, and what most people don't know until they're deep into implementation.
That's awesome. Why should someone at the event or in the area attend your session?
Well, if you're using or planning to implement Power Platforms, this session will give you a clear roadmap of what to expect, especially when it comes to managing governance at scale. Plus, we'll cover lessons learned and real challenges you won't find in documentation.
Great. I will be there, and I'm excited, Qais. If you're in the Los Angeles area, don't miss out on this session at Community Days Los Angeles 2024. It's going to be packed with actionable insights, and you can register at the link below.